Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hello, welcome and bonjour. I'm Christian Bender, reporting for LowReadyMagazine.com, the new community magazine for modern gun culture made in Europe. I'm reporting from IWA 2024 and I'm here with Thomas Haas.
Hi Christian.
And Daniel Dentler.
Hi Christian.
Thanks for having me, guys. I'm here at the booth of Dentler. Dentler presents their brand new invention, a rifle, which is an engineering masterpiece. And here we have the inventors and constructors, and I will just leave the word to them because there's so much to say about this piece of art.
Exactly, Christian. We are happy to have you here on our booth to present you our new world piece of engineering. Like you said, what was the aim of the DR21? The aim was to have a very short rifle, so it's 87 centimeters total length, and you have a barrel length of 52 centimeters.
That's
so
standard barrel length, but still you are way under 1 meter of total length.
Exactly, under 90 centimeters, so it's very agile, it's very short. So and what was the secret behind it? The secret is that we have a removable magazine here in this part of the rifle. So a standard bolt action have the magazine here in front of the trigger.
Yep.
So our competitors like Blaser have it over the trigger.
Yep.
And we have integrated in the buttstock. So you have less, 20 centimeters less than a standard bolt action and 10 centimeters less than a Blaser R8, for example. Yeah? So this is very, very short. This removable magazine has a capacity of 7 rounds in mini calibers, 7+1.
7+1.
Exactly,
wow.
in mini calibers, and 5+1 rounds in Magnum and standard calibers. So
that is more than any other bolt action or any other rifle that I can think of now.
Exactly, so it is. We have at least always one more cartridge than the other ones.
At least one more, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So this is very, very high capacity. So this is the secret behind the shortness of the rifle. Yeah? On the other way, we have a very safe rifle because we have here a hand cocking system. So now you have 100% of power on the fire pin spring.
Yep.
And if you reduce the pressure or let your hand off, then you have 0% on the fire pin spring, so you are 100% safe.
It's a dead man switch.
Exactly, you can't forget your hand cock system, so there will be no accidents with it. Yeah, so this is one part of the safety. The second part of the safety is here we have a straight pull,
yep,
with a rotating bolt. So we have 6 lugs here, and by about 100 square millimeters of plane here.
Oh, that's a lot.
So
yeah.
that's a lot. That is over Moser M98 system, so it's very safe.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can remove this bolt without any tool. Only push here this part of it, and then you can change the caliber or make the rifle unusable.
Yeah. For example, when you when you need to make a stop at the petrol station or at the supermarket, you just remove this. This is
exactly.
easy. Look, even I can do it,
yeah.
and I'm doing this the first time.
Yeah.
Wow, that's okay.
That's very easy. Yeah.
It's really easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's and then you just push again.
Turn it. Yeah.
Turn it.
Till it is locked. So here on the right side.
Okay, gotta push it.
Yeah,
okay, cool.
Okay.
Fantastic.
So on the other side we have an interchangeable barrel system. So this is also a main reason for the accuracy of this rifle.
Yeah.
One screw. In seconds you can remove this barrel. And you have here a steel pin and this block and 1,400 square millimeters of barrel batting. So if you put it back into this steel pin, this block in front is pulling it downwards into this bedding.
Gotcha.
And pushing it backwards into this pin. So you have always the same positioning of the barrel. So there's no deviation or something else if you change the barrels. Yeah? And this big barrel batting is also the main reason for the best shooting patterns. So you are also with cheap ammunition do you have shooting patterns under 25 millimeters. Yeah? So it's a perfect accuracy. Of course, as a scope mount manufacturer, we have integrated our base rail here.
Yeah.
So this one is the basis vario, the variable one. You can adjust the sight and the height here, so you can use your optics on several rifles. Yeah. So if you have 2 rifles, you can use one optic and can save some money.
Gotcha.
Exactly. So on the end of the rifle, we have a cheek, which is adjustable in the height.
Yeah.
But in normal cases, you have it in the lowest position because you have a very low sight line here.
Normally,
so, exactly. And on the end of the rifle, we have adjustable buttstock here.
Length of pull,
and it's also damped. It's adjustable in the length. You can do this way, winter, summer, or something else.
You can adjust the length of pull to your needs.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And it's also damped, so it's nice to shoot, yeah?
It dampens the recoil a little bit.
Exactly. So
I can imagine that because of the construction, because the rifle is so flat, probably the feeling of the recoil is pretty direct and very, very well to swallow.
Exactly, it's directly in your shoulder, so it's very comfortable to shoot with it, yeah? And if you put here silencers on it, you have the balance exactly in the middle of the rifle, yeah? And you are still under 1 meter. So so this rifle is optimized for, of course, silencers or night visions in front. So this is a perfect rifle. It is available in 308, 3006, 8x57, 223 Remington, and the 300 Win Mag at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, and it starts from 4,900 euros in the basis version, and the luxury version like this here is 6.5. One point I would like to show is how to open it if you would like to remove your ammunition.
Yeah, absolutely.
Only to press here a little bit like any other hand cooking system, and then you can open it to remove your ammunition. Or when you have shot, then it's open, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Exactly. You also have sling attachments.
Yeah.
Which are unfortunately not standard. And the big ones for the removable swivels. That's fantastic. It's a very, very interesting piece of equipment. I'm sure it will find its fans. It's it's really handy. It gives me a very natural position of my hand because it has this absolutely steep pistol grip, which I personally totally love. And so many features, that's really an engineering masterpiece.
Exactly, we have one more, then because we have optimized cycle blocks here. So if you put in the magazine, you have these planes here.
Yes.
And these planes are adjusting your way to cycle, yeah?
So the length I cycle. So if I have a mini caliber, I only cycle with for the shorter rounds, and if I have a 338 Lapua, for instance, I cycle all the way.
Exactly.
And the magazine translates this to the mechanism.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
You covered
German
all bases.
engineering. all made in Germany, 100%.
Fantastic. Thomas, thank you very much. Daniel, thanks for having me.
Yes.
Guys, if you want to learn more about the Dentler DR21, just visit us at lowreadymagazine.com or follow the links under this video. And also at lowreadymagazine.com you can learn how you can become a contributor for the new community magazine for modern gun culture made in Europe. Because we are all the community, and if you want to contribute, you are more than welcome to join the crew. I see you there. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Boom.